Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make a keyboard computer in Blender in 1 minute using the add-on called kitops add-on, which is recently released by uh, one of our people in Blender community. So let's get started with it. The link to the file of the add-on will be in the description below. So when you download it, you are going to open the file. When you open it, don't unzip it. Just go to your edit, preferences, then go to your add-on, then tap install add-on. When you install it, you will see your add-on will appear right in the add-on list here. Then you will search for it, which is called kitops. Kitops right there. That's the kitops add-on. I've installed mine already, so let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is now we are going to design your keyboard shape, which I know that most of us know how to work with it. So I will design mine here. Okay. Okay. Scaling X. Okay. I have to make it really big so that the other can fit in it. So here is my pad that I'm going to put my keyboard on the top. Then you tap N. When you install it, your add-on, you tap N. You are going to see it right here. Name kitops. You tap the kitops. Then you will see this. These are the add-on. This is the add-on that you just installed. These are everything. All the add surfaces that you can use in any of your projects. But for now we are working on keyboard. So keyboard is under object control. You tap on object control, then you select it. You look for keyboard. Yeah, this is the keyboard right here. When you have it on, then tap add inserts. When you add inserts, now here it is. It appears. Here is our keyboard. Okay. Okay. This is our keyboard now. As you can see, it is really large. So you can adjust it to the shape you want. You can just adjust it, and for the keyboard, the material is already added on it, so there's no need for you to work with the material unless you want to make it more exciting and pleasing to get. So I'll select my cube that I just made up. Select my cube. I will scale it. My cube is really small, so I have to make it really large. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, you are seeing the cube. I'm making it large. My computer is very slow, so this is it. That's what I'm working on. Taking this off so that I can see what I have here. Scaling Y, width in Y. Okay. Now guys, as you can see, I've made a keyboard. which I'm readjusting now to make it look perfect. If you follow along with the tutorial, you will get it right and it will be very interesting. And this kitops add-on is very interesting for you to use it in all of your ad surface modeling in your future projects, which you are going to apply, and to make your work very faster in Blender. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can give it a like if you like the video. You give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you guys for watching.